We're here with Zeev Draer from MRV. Zeev, how do you see the telecom market evolving in the optical and carrier Ethernet space in the upcoming years?
Well, I think that if you're looking on telecom space right now, the name of the game is scalability. We absolutely see the ingredients of scalability is critical for all the telecoms. And given the fact there are different layers, the idea right now is to have scalable networks but converged networks. Because the telecom building the networks and eventually they're looking on one thing, how we get money out of it. So monetizing those networks right now is the critical thing about what we see in the economy.
What is your vision standpoint on the development of the SDN market?
Well, SDN market, it's, I think if looking on the market itself, the vision is there. When looking on our standpoint, we definitely see us as a player in this game. We implemented lately our software-defined networking as part of our provisioning platform based on PAT computation element. So we took more pragmatic stage of not using only OpenFlow as a vehicle on one side of the devices, but actually to create something that will be more conceivable and more practical for service provider implementation. So this is the view from the stages, but practically when you're looking on the network and we're looking at the adoption of SDN as a format, I believe that it will take additional 2-3 years that we'll see actually the valuable solution that will go on the mass scale for service providers.
Zeev, given that cloud services market is expanding, how do you see that impacting the expansion of the networking industry?
Well, clouds, it's not a big secret that if you're looking on the clouds, you see data centers growing phenomenally. And when looking on the cloud and data centers, so it's like a real estate business. It's about power, it's about space, it's about latency, it's about cooling. We're looking on our portfolio as MRV, so in fact an optical business for more than 20 years and in carrier more than 10 years. So taking this and leveraging this in solutions that connecting or interconnecting data centers with optical networks. So looking on those ingredients like power, space and latency, we're delivering today better than anybody else, between 50 to 80% less space for capacity and more than 90% if you're looking on the capacity and the ratio to power consumption. So we have one of the industry leading solution for the data center interconnectivity market.
Thank you for being with us today.
Thank you very much, Todd.